Manipur People's Democratic Front alleges state government of depriving water, electricity and other necessities at 5 villages in Kamjong district of Phungyar. Chief Minister Nongthong Biren says there is growth in human-based economy, though growth of India's economy was hindered. And Union Home Minister Amit Shah appeals youths to speak in their own language while communicating, as country's culture is safe only when its languages are safe. Good afternoon. Welcome to Impact News. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Manipur People's Democratic Front (MPDF) has alleged the state government for failing to provide electricity and water supply facilities to 5 villages of Phungyar constituency in Kamjong district, namely Aishi, Molvailup, Kultu, Faimol and Paiko, although India has completed 70 years of independence. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, MPDF General Secretary S. Samungao said the present government has made certain proclamations to enhance ties between hill and valley regions of the state in public meetings and media, but has failed to take appropriate measures on the same. He has added that although electric poles and wires were installed to provide electric supply to the 5 villages on 2016-2017, there is no power in the villages till date. He expressed discontentment that above lack of insufficient drinking water supply and medical facilities, the road connecting the villages are in deplorable condition. He further said the government employees posted in the villages often neglect their duties. Taking part in the press meet, MPDF President and Nodia Chan appealed to elected members of the hills to perform their duties earnestly. He assured that the party will urge the government to provide lacking basic facilities of the villages in hill districts at the earliest.
Manga Sida Elki Kudung Saba Laitri, Adugi Matakta Mapa Masida, Public Health in the 9th Department, safe drinking water, sufficient Natava, requirement Adu Pibang Andri, Adegi Intervillage, roads, Kungangamaga, Samnava, Hariba, Lambi Singa Masi, Adugi Matik Pibam Sadre, Aduga Kudamoina, Hydro the Paimon village dagi Lakhan adagi Kamjong Laiba Maroina Hariba Kungang Manga Sigi Praja Singi Live Lal Oriba Assume Kimatik Sadre Aduna Nongju Thagi Hariba Lambis Deda Saigi Gariga Thoroga Sapako Danger Oya.
Chief Minister Nongthong Biren said there is growth in human-based economy, though India's economic growth was hindered. He was speaking at the one-day workshop on Union Budget 2020 at the office of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Kanchipur today. Speaking further, Biren said Prime Minister Narendra Modi led government strongly believed that India's economy will enhance only when India's rural economy is strengthened. He further assured that various developmental initiatives taken by the government to ease the plights facing the poor will enhance India's economy after a few years and even last long.
But my view, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji na thada riba senchidi praja si senlak kera lawera praja nungai hanaba rotation tawgera tawrera immediate madugi improvement kar kera kara roido to secondary thamna praja nungai hanaba praja wadanaba praja gi singa phaba thananaba praja yum leinanaba praja gi layeng mangamnanaba praja gi chak chananaba rom the concentrate taw adno human base economics ne idea aduni I thinking kitang slow down to bogi wani Honorable Prime Minister na pamiba 2030 the 5 trillion gi economy India gi I show it in my park and have on fully confidence I'm going to thajable maram di kupna yeng biyo industrial singda thadaraga economic growth to buduga praja mayam da thadaraga praja singi phibam tamna phagala kanda boom long saklang to buduga ani sine boji I want the filter buniko.
Speaking further at the workshop, Chief Minister N. Biren promised landscape changes in the state in near future. He appealed to BJP workers and bureaucrats to strive for states built up instead of waiting for central leaders. He asserted that such will only be possible when there is unity in the party, stating that different opinions prevails everywhere, and Biren appealed BJP workers to maintain faith of people towards the party and work with people.
Even in my own family, every household the differences labani. Madu khoikali kha thana da bani. Na lerga kauna lerga loina issues based the pulla ga sakadam. Aduna aina appeal tawni si khoikali kata senior sing dasu or office bearers sing dasu or ekoi punamak government da laiba ko dasu groupism thado ko da bani. Sigi mindset se nam lang tho groupism ni mindset se just lang thokra matong da koi BJP kanana thingbu ngamge Manipur. Sokthing thingbu ngam agitation, ban, blockade, adu, ada, loina mangra. Sida ikoina praja singa punna satpa heudra deba. Punsi ge moina hogot pasung moy ko. State sigi darkar wori se karino. Akoi punna mangna khona ga do se karino ise. Madugi focus piba matam yore. Aina mayam da appeal tawning base. Let us unite. Differences mafam kuni mukta laigani. But state ki oiba praja ki oiba issue da party ki oiba issue da akoi punna satka dabani.
Nauria Pakang Lakpa, MLA Soibam Subash Chandra inaugurated a rural agricultural market shade at Mekola Bazaar today. MLA Soibam Subash Chandra is sure to convert Mekola Bazaar into a successful trade center by installing LED high mast lamp. The market shade was constructed by Agriculture Department under the sponsorship of Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana 2018-2019. Speaking at the inaugural function, MLA Subash Chandra said that renovation of the market shade will enhance the financial status of the people of Malom, Kodompokpi, Lairenjam and areas under Mekola Bazaar. He further dedicated the new market shade to former ministers W. Angau and W. Laima, acknowledging their contributions. Mentioning regarding Mekola District Veterinary Hospital, which remained defunct for the past 10 years, he expressed happiness that the government has renovated the hospital and availed various facilities to the people. MLA Subash Chandra appealed people to extend support in government's initiative to develop the education and healthcare sectors of Mekola.
BJP na lusingba sarkar si lakpadagi Honorable Chief Minister na lusingba N. Biren Singha na lusingba sarkar si lakpadagi Mekola Primary Health Center se Community Health Center oina upgrade tawre ngasigi khoi gi sarkar si lakpadagi Mekola se hen phung pha phajaba center mu oina na ba khoi Mekola Golap Higher Secondary School khoi residential higher secondary oina na ba government gi proposal leire Mekola gi mafam sida thralainama athubada khinna ba local area development fund da program haptan leire Mekola se tha khagi butungda phajaba kobi leiba phajaba ma semgatnabada lamdam sigi praja singi sojok pinabiu.
Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal enveloped bicycles and accessories. Changangai Airport Road, Imphal jointly organized a cycle rally in relation with Rotary Club's 115th anniversary today. The cycle rally was held on the theme Ride for a Clean Imphal City and Healthy Life. Chairman of Manipur Tourism Corporation Limited, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, flagged off the rally from Changangai Airport Road. Members of the Rotary Club, Moneywood Club and players of Neroka FC carried out the rally across Imphal City.
Rotary Club asi 1905 ta Chicago haiba lam USA gi sida hodok sagibni akoi gi pandam hairgadi luna lana leiba adagidi kano hakchang phana leiba haiba kano sida sigi pandam sida sinjaba kano ne rally ni akoi gi route sina sigi velo cycle showroom gi airport ke opposite ta leiba sidagi start tawjaraga nitai ba suthek Governor Chokida, Adu, Adaidi, Kangla Gate, Adaidi, Ima Market, cake cutting ceremony, Tozaraga, Aduga, Adugemo Horaga, Kuatong Poraga, Adewang Lekaila Agasida, Lotion Zabagi, Pandam Tamze.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on PM Kishan scheme launched on 24th of February last year. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Sunday Afternoon News. The Prime Minister Kisan scheme launched on 24th of February last year is to provide income support to all land-holding farmers, families across the country and enable them to meet expenses related to agriculture as well as domestic needs. Under the scheme, 6,000 rupees per year is transferred in installments directly into the bank accounts of the farmers. Centre released 50,850 crore rupees to farmers. The scheme so far. As on the 20th of this month, 8.46 crores farmer families have been given the benefits. The scheme initially provided income support to all small and marginal farmers, families across the country holding cultivable land up to 2 hectares. However, its ambit was later expanded to cover all farmer families in the country, irrespective of the size of their land holdings. Affluent farmers have been excluded from the scheme, such as income tax payers in the last assessment year. The largest cricket stadium in the world is going to host the Namaste Trump event on Monday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Donald Trump will share a stage in front of more than 1 lakh people. The Sardar Patel Stadium in Motera, Ahmedabad has capacity of 1,10,000 people. The Old Motera Cricket Stadium hosted 12 test matches and 24 ODIs between 1983 and 2014. It had a lifespan of 25 years and will be the world's largest cricket stadium after the inauguration. Vice President of the Gujarat Cricket Association, Parimal Natwani, has expressed pride that the stadium will host President Trump. In Uttar Pradesh, Agra is fully geared to welcome US President Donald Trump at Taj Mahal. Streets have been spruced up, walls beautified with thematic paintings, and the lawns of the Taj Mahal bedecked with shimmering flowers to present the best face of Agra. The US President is slated to arrive in Agra tomorrow evening after attending the mega Namaste Trump event at Ahmedabad. In Agra, the Trump family will spend about an hour at the Taj Mahal before sunset. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is unlikely to accompany US President and his family members during their visit to the Taj Mahal. Official sources said no official engagements or presence of senior dignitaries from the Indian side is envisaged there. Union Home Minister Amit Shah appealed to youths of the country to speak in their own language while communicating with friends and family and said a country's culture is safe only when its languages are safe. Mr. Shah also said India is the only country in the world which is united by its culture. He said the country has many languages and dialects, 7 to 8 languages in just one state, around 150 dialects in the northeast, and these languages and dialects are the identity of India. He was addressing an event at the Art Cultural Festival in New Delhi on Saturday. The Home Minister said it is very necessary to save the languages because if a language is saved, its music is saved and its history is saved. He said India is the only country in the world whose culture is intact even after thousands of years, and it is everyone's responsibility to carry it forward. And now the sports news. Manipur Straw FC will play against East Bengal in a league match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Imphaal's Kuman Lampak main stadium at 5 p.m. today. In yesterday's league match played at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Mohun Bagan defeated Churchill Brothers by 3-0. The winning goals were scored by Baba Daiwara, VP Suhair and Kamron Tursunov at 7th, 50th and 58th minute of the match respectively. Mohun Bagan with 32 points is leading at the league's table tally. Bengaluru FC and Atletico de Kolkata ended in a 2-2 draw in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Bengaluru's Shri Kantirava Stadium yesterday. For Bengaluru, DFC, Dimas Delgado and Kevon Freta scored 1 goal each at the 18th and 35th minute respectively, and for Atletico de Kolkata, Edu Garcia and Michael Susairaj scored 1 goal each at 86th and 90th minute of the match respectively. Orissa FC will face Kerala Blasters in a league match at Orissa's Kalinga Stadium tonight at 7:30 p.m. On day 5 of the Asian Wrestling Championship in New Delhi, India earned 1 gold and 3 silver medals yesterday. In men's freestyle 57 kg category, Ravi Dahiya won gold medal defeating Tajikistan's Hikmatullo by technical superiority in the final match of KD Jadhav Indoor Stadium. Earlier, India's Bajrang Punia, Gaurav Balian and Satyawarth Kadian won silver medals after losing in their respective finals. India's biggest Olympic medal hope Bajrang Punia faced a crushing 2-10 defeat at the hands of Japan's Takuto Otogora in 65 kg category. Satyawarth Kadian lost to Iranian Mojtaba Muhammad Shafi Golij in 97 kg category, while Gaurav Balian lost to Arsalan of Kazakhstan in the 79 kg category. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Manipur People's Democratic Front alleges state government of depriving water, electricity and other necessities at 5 villages in Kamjong district of Phungyar. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren says there is growth in human-based economy, though growth of India's economy was hindered. And Union Home Minister Amit Shah appeals youths to speak in their own language while communicating, as country's culture is safe only when its languages are safe.